everybody, it's Desi, and today we're going to be finishing up this update that I was working on the other day. First I like to start with the inking. It's most people usually hate inking because it's like, oh, it's so tedious, but personally I really like inking. If I choose, I would love to be like an inking artist because I just love spending time on doing lines and all that stuff. It just makes I think it's because my style's like very neat and clean, and so it's like I like to ink all the panels first because mainly for consistency reasons, so that all the inks are on point and don't look different. Like if I drew these one day or if I did them one at a time, they would end up looking a little different. Like, maybe not to other people they would, but they would to me. I used to do them one at a time, but it just frustrated me because I would have one panel that have like completely different width. That would just really peeve me out. And then second, I like to add in the backgrounds first before I actually color in the characters. Because for shots like these, it's good to have some sense of perspective. Well, I'm not a really expert. I think in hindsight, this might not have been the best perspective shot, but what can you do? I'm still learning. But aren't we all? When it comes to shading, it depends on the mood. Usually in Aero-Replies, it's usually bright, cheery, and happy, and here it's like very dark and mysterious, like, ooh, what's going on here? And when I color my character, I usually start with the skin first, and then I go skin first, then hair, then clothing, then eyeballs. I love doing eyeballs. So anime desu, uku, woo woo. Usually my scenes aren't like this detailed and stuff, and I really like this flashback arc because I got to play with lighting a lot, and it made it like really fun because I'm so used to just doing like One Direction shading, but like no, here Lily has the light pointing straight at her, while versus Dinky who has the light pointing at her.
That feel when you misgender your own character after saying in the first video you're gonna go by he/him pronouns.
Back, so she kind of like has this nice cool effect on her that makes her look like, God, you're so cool, sugoi.
What's wrong with me?
This took me approximately like from line art to coloring about 4 hours, I think. Yeah, 4 hours, almost 4 hours. And if we count the storyboarding, it would have been 5 hours. Yeah, I like to take. Well, that's not true. I've kind of gotten into a rhythm, and I've established a style for this blog that it's fast, it looks nice, and it's like not too complicated that it would be so annoying for me to do like every single time. This update was a lot easier since there's some like just copy pasted panels that just had minor edits. And so like there's only like let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, only like 4 unique images, then two panels that are the one before but just edited. And yeah, oh, poor Lily. Sucks to be her. This whole entire arc, she's just suffering. But yeah, we're doing this for 6 years, so I'm kind of used to the rhythm and rhyme. So anyway, be sure to check out my comic if you want to. It's at aero-replies.tumblr.com. You can support the blog at patreon.com/aero-replies. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. I made this one shorter since I felt like the last one was a little too long and I rambled on for a bit and I ended up losing footage. So I think shorter videos will be better. Okay, see ya!